Hello everybody, welcome to another short tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade unsupported hardware devices from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So in this tutorial, I'm going to do some change in the registry in order to allow Windows 11 upgrade for some computers and laptops that are not compatible with Windows 11 upgrade. So for this one, we have to refer to a article from the Microsoft itself, right? So although it's not a recommended way, but um, we can try. We can try. Installing Windows 11 for some computers that you are not using for your office purpose, or you are not using for to store some sensitive data. So let's say if you just want to test how Windows 11 looks like, in this way you can use this method for those computers and laptops that are not compatible, that are not hardware compatible for Windows 11 upgrade, right? Okay, so in order to do that, first of all, we have to download the Windows 11 ISO image. Just go into browser and then type download Windows 11 ISO image. Let's search for that. Let's click on that, how to download ISO image. Let's go to that page. All right, that's navigate. Okay, let's go into this download page. All right, okay, cool. So in here, we're gonna choose download Windows 11 disk image, disk ISO for 64-bit devices. Okay, so in here, click on select download. Click download now. So yeah, select Windows 11 multi-edition function, and then before you begin, yes, if you want to go through it, just go through it. But my this computer, it was not compatible for Windows 11, but I managed to do this workaround and then install Windows 11 in here. So I'll just click download now and just choose the product language. So choose English United States and confirm. All right, so let's click 64-bit download. All right, so the ISO image will start downloading here, right? So while the ISO image is downloading, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do some change in the registry. So changing anything in registry, it is not safe. It might create some problem. You might need to reinstall the whole operating system as well. So I would recommend you not to try this process for some PCs that has important information or on your work computer, right? Okay, so with that disclaimer, what I'm gonna do, I'll just go into the search bar here and then search for registry. It opens registry editor. So right click on it. All right, so open registry editor. Click yes. All right, so in here, so in registry editor, what I'm gonna do is what we have to do, first of all, go into the key local machine, right? Inside key local machine, go into system, right? And inside system, go to click on expand setup, right? And inside setup you will see the MO setup. So it looks like this originally. I just have to expand it, and then once you click on MO setup, then you will see this allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU. So that is something I added before, right? So I will show you how to add that. So in order to do that, just right click on it, click on new, and then select 32-bit value, and then in here just put allow upgrades with unsupported TPM. Right now I can't do it because I already have this name in here, right? And once you put this name in here, and then you just have to do right click on it, and then modify, sorry, click on modify, and in here in the value just put number 1, right? Since I already have this here, so I'm just gonna delete this because I'm not gonna need it right now. But this is how I added this allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU, and then set the value as 1 hexadecimal, right? So once you do this, now what you have to do now, go into your download section. Your ISO image have been downloaded, right? But I have already downloaded my ISO image in here, so it's right here, Windows 11 24 heads to English. Just double click on it. It will take some time to load. All right. Once we did that change in the registry, now we have to go into the download folder, and then find out our Dix image file. So right now I have this here with me. I have installed it before, so yeah, I'm just gonna right double click on this. Once I double click on this, then it comes up with this security warning. Just click on open, and then it will and you just have to follow the prompt to yeah. So once you click on that, just click on setup, and once you click on the setup, just click run, and then just follow the prompt um, to install the Windows 11. So I'm gonna put the link to download the ISO Windows 11 ISO Dix file image, and the Microsoft document in the description section. And if there's any issues, if you are unable to upgrade to Windows 11, or if you have any question, feel free to put in the comment section. I will try to answer it. Thank you. Hopefully you like the video.